In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make videos in Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea into a moving, stylized clip using Grok's creative tools, with nothing more than a short prompt. First, open Grok. Launch it on your browser or app and give it a second to load the main interface. You'll land in a familiar chat-style workspace where Grok is ready to respond. Think of this as your creative studio. Everything you need to generate content is right here, and the layout is designed so you can move from idea to output without friction. Next, click Imagine. This is Grok's dedicated creative mode, built for visual generation. When you enter Imagine, the system shifts into a more visual mindset, interpreting your words with an emphasis on style, composition, and cinematic cues. If you're seeing a focused canvas or a sidebar that highlights creative options, that's exactly where you want to be. Imagine is where short prompts can bloom into vivid imagery and, more importantly for us today, into motion. Now, click the video option in the chat box and simply say, "Cool neon car." That one phrase is your entire brief. It tells Grok you want a vehicle as the subject, with a sleek modern vibe and the glow and saturation that neon suggests. Even though the prompt is short, it carries strong aesthetic signals. Think luminous accents, reflective surfaces, and nightlife energy. Type it into the chat area while video is selected, then send it. Grok will parse the words, infer likely motion cues, and start assembling frames that match the style and mood you requested. While it processes, expect a short wait. Video generation is more involved than a static image, so it may take a moment as Grok blends subject, color, lighting, and motion into a coherent clip. When it finishes, you'll see the result appear in line. Play it through and notice how cool influences the tone, sleek pacing and confident styling, while neon drives lighting choices like glowing trims, signage, or city reflections. The car anchor keeps the composition centered on automotive shapes and movement. If you want to refine prompts in future sessions, remember that clear, focused language helps Grok lock onto your intent. You can hint at setting, era, or mood without getting overly complex. But for now, the beauty is in the simplicity. Open Grok, click Imagine, choose video in the chat box, and say, "Cool neon car." That's all it takes to spark a bold, stylized video with just a few words.